going, keep coming, and keep going. There's probably 3 more sows in here somewhere that are probably going to have babies in a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks.
How old do they get before usually?
Oh my, well, it depends on their weight. So it depends, they normally have anywhere between 2 to 3 litters a year. And then sometimes you'll see that they're just not, their feet aren't working.
They normally have anywhere between